So our unique gauntlet match has begun. One superstar versus an onslaught of opponents. Can't say I like the odds.
But what a win if you can pull it off. This could be a career moment if you can manage to defeat this parade of opponents.
Many names have been made by surviving a gauntlet match. We'll see if the same can happen tonight. Oh my God, what an elbow. A club with the right forearm.
Tag with a punch.
Ooh, fight is so close to our announce table.
Yeah, I'm just going to step aside now.
Hey, wait for me!
And a well-executed move we just saw there. Carmelo is losing his grasp of this match now.
And Randy Orton is on a roll here.
And he gets delivered back into the ring. The stakes are always high in a match like this. Byron, what is a key to victory for these competitors?
Well, Michael, these superstars need to conserve as much energy as possible.
Well, to that point, Byron, the competitors need to look for that home run shot. Hit a big move early, shock your opponent, and get the win while using the least amount of energy possible.
What a shot!
Overhand right lands. Big forearm. What a punch. Bang! Snap suplex. Up and over, all the way to the floor. This one is headed to the outside, not by choice. Hard to come back from that kind of impact.
Big blow could be felt throughout the arena.
Tables. Thrown back in under the ropes.
Kick to the gut.
Cracked around into a neck breaker. The Viper in a tight spot.
Neck breaker.
And Carmelo gets stifled. Clothesline.
Oh, we know what comes next.
Hung up on the rope.
Vintage Orton.
The Viper's lined up his prey. We know what's next. Picture perfect from Orton.
Shoulders down.
And that's it. Carmelo knows he's gone. His time in this gauntlet match is over.
They are out of here.
And even after this next entrant, there's still another challenger.
Next into the gauntlet is Ludwig Kaiser.
We have returned to the windy city of Chicago for this year's Hell in a Cell.
Hell in a Cell's what I call Saxton's hotel room after a few too many Chicago dogs.
Hey, vicious right forearm.
Denied via a wicked punch to the stomach.
Single leg drop kick. He's got the answer for that one.
Oh, man.
You have to admit, that was a smart bit of offense, cutting their opponent down to size like that.
And now unloading rights on his opponent.
The Apex Predator taking command.
Kaiser is being worked on heavily.
Oh, continued punishment. You have to protect your shoulders from hits like that. You don't want to compromise your ability to throw a punch or lock in a hold. Denied with an elbow. Ooh.
Orton gets the better there.
Wrong counter for counter. Now can it be capitalized on?
breaker.
Continuing to work on the arm with a carefully measured knee drop.
Knee strike.
Heading up, he's thinking big.
Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now. Perched up top.
Power slam turns the tide.
Orton hooking his opponent. Backbreaker.
Uh-oh. Hung out to dry.
Spiking DDT.
Does he have him here? That's all. It's over. He's out. Left Kaiser couldn't go the distance.
The fun's not over yet. Here's our final entry. The Miz is on a mission, ready to get into this gauntlet match.
Caught with a lariat.
Neckbreaker. Measured stomp right to the gut.
Followed up by another to the chest.
Fought off with an elbow.
What a clothesline! Ouch!
Oh, clothesline.
And a drop kick!
Picture perfect.
On the apron.
Up high.
Able to elude it.
Big forearm. Bam! Down he goes.
Placed into the corner. Uh-oh. Scores the reversal on Miz. Oh, clothesline!
And it's a long way down from there.
He turns it around. Targeting the arm. This has got to hurt.
Having a weakened arm can limit you in so many ways, making it harder to execute on even simple attacks.
Right across the top row.
There was no issue with that attack. Hey, sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. Who are we to judge? Snap suplex. Brutal stomp to the body. And followed up by another to the chest. Last second knee to the face there.
Oh, what a kick.
Right to the gut.
Ooh, what a nasty kick.
Insulting.
Well, this could also light a fire under you. Make you fight even harder.
Oh, my God, a clothesline.
Just got destroyed.
And he tosses it back in now. Leaving himself open here.
This game's about winning at any and all costs.
This competitor knows exactly what they want to do. Perched on the top rope. Here it is. Superplex. Oh. Looking to finally put Miz away.
I think that finally closes the book.
The cover! And yes, Randy Orton gets the win.
Here is your winner, the Viper, Randy Orton!
What a win, overcoming this incredible gauntlet.
You can never count the Viper out, and we just saw why once again here tonight.